Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is high paying. I've always been an advocate of you can absolutely make good money working from home without having to go to college and get a college degree. Affirm is hiring for someone to review, proofread documents, among other things, and they're not requiring any kind of college degree. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I'm sharing are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button, and of course share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home. Now, Affirm does have 419 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a contract management specialist. This is remote for the United States. Now, I'm sure you've all heard of Affirm before. They are like a lending company. They do a lot of the pay in for, buy now, pay later type things, kind of like Klarna. They also do longer style loans. Like if you're financing on Amazon a laptop, sometimes you can finance that with the firm for up to 36 months, almost like a regular bank personal loan. But they are looking for somebody to maintain and record data for all of their contracts and manage their contract intake and workflows and reporting. You'll assist with initiatives for relating to locating the contracts, data field review, and analysis of those contracts. You're going to draft, review, and negotiate the NDAs, terminations, assignment letters, things like that, the different agreements that need to go out. So you're going to look at these and you're going to perform document review and proofreading. So you're going to section the reference checks, definition checks, formatting, making sure the document is formatted correctly. You're going to identify and help just the implementation process improvements, assisting with any special projects as needed. Now, while this is kind of like a contract legality position, they don't require any kind of college degree. They do want somebody who has 3 years of relevant experience working in a fast-paced, high-volume, tech-forward role, someone who has in-depth experience with Ironclad, including administration workflow design. That must be some kind of software program. I am not familiar with Ironclad. Somebody who has project management skills, great attention to detail, and great writing communication skills. Now, pay, if you have those skills, is where this position shines. For higher cost of living areas like California, New York, they are paying anywhere from $105,600 a year all the way up to $147,800 a year. But if you're outside of those for the rest of the United States, don't worry, they still got a high pay coming in at $95,000 a year up to $133,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.